private robot chef. Nymble lives on your kitchen countertop and cooks delicious food for you, just the way you like it. Here's how it works. Select a recipe, load chopped ingredients into A, B, C, and D, load up oil and water,
Add in the right spice pods.
and hit cook. Nymble takes over and drops things into the pan at the right time and temperature, just like a chef. Through the built-in camera, Nymble watches over your food, heats,
Sautés.
and stirs, just like a chef. Checks the consistency, checks the doneness, seasons it, and cooks your food to perfection. Well, you get it, just like a chef. With Nymble, choose from over 500 recipes, get real-time updates on your mobile, eat great food always.
Leave me like a monster. Want to be like One, two, three, follow me. Take a look.
When you're feeling dry, step into an oasis of your own creation with the Levoit OasisMist Smart Humidifier. Dual mist technology provides either warm or cool mist, perfect for adding a refreshing touch to summer heat. With the free VSync app, you can also customize your preferred relative humidity level and let auto mode maintain it throughout your space. With a top fill tank that's easy to refill and clean, 2 nozzles that turn in any direction, and noise reduction technology, this humidifier makes home wellness easy. Create your own oasis with Levoit.
Make